Welcome back as we continue with metrics about the user. Operating system, browser, resolution, devices. This is mostly self-explanatory. Basically, the fingerprinting technique can determine all of these details in relation to the unique visitor. Knowing what the most used browser, devices and OSs are is crucial. Your website might work and look slightly differently on Safari compared to Chrome. If you see a significant amount of visits from Safari, make sure you check how the site behaves on that browser. If you see that 90% of your users come from mobile devices, try to display content in a mobile-friendly way and focus primarily on that rather than desktop. These are just some hypothetical examples of using this information, but insights of this can go a long way from here.